Hi Umang, nice to meet you.
Hi.
I was super excited to meet you at the India's
Same
biggest
here.
fashion
Same
event. My big question is like as I'm into like longevity, sustainability, right, global impact. Nowadays I'm seeing like a lot of people using like killing the silkworms, like the cows and everything for leather. Like why it is important for one to adopt to like veganism and like use the vegan products?
I really am grateful that what he thinks, he's one of the younger generations, and I would ask him to also reach out to younger generation and say that simply like cows and all the animals what we are wearing, they are not for our fashion, they are not taking birth to be a part of our fashion. The shoes that we wear, the jacket that we wear, the bags that we wear, we have or we carry. Now we have alternatives and plant-based alternatives which are equally affordable, they have longevity, sustainable to environment, and they can last pretty long. So when we have alternatives, why to kill someone for our fashion? Just think yourself, like what if your skin is being used, or maybe your part of food is being eaten? Or what if we have Pizza India has also been doing
Actually, like
Pizza is people for ethical treatment of animals, and we fight for animals' rights. Basically, we do not want someone to be killed, any animal to be killed. Just like we humans, we feel pain. We feel pain of separation too. When somebody is killing us, butchering us, we also feel. Maybe in an accident, we go to hospital. But what about these animals? They are not being taken care of. I'll tell you, this is made a plant-based leather. This is made out of sugar cane.
oh wow, amazing. Is the shoes you are talking about?
Shoes as well as this bag is made out of sugar cane.
Wow.
And I'll tell you, this is bag by Beckley, and this is made out of cactus. Again, these what you are seeing is that there is banana leather, rice and wheat husk is also being used, and this is of course again the jute thing, which is very affordable, and you can see how the finish is, and it can, of course, they look fashionable. The more you use, the more you are promoting sustainability.
And even for this, it's
Talking
like
about this thing, this is again vegan fur, and as you can see, my friend is saying he is getting to feel it. So it's as smooth as fur, but it's vegan. So when you're getting best fashion from vegan material, why not to wear them and sport them with confidence?
guys, you have to check out, become vegan, start using vegan products. That's the future, right? The 2026 people talk about AI era. In this era, if you truly want to win, you have to care everyone. That's how true care can be taken. It was wonderful.
Same.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a great day, guys.